Hey guys, today we're going to be touring this abandoned mobile home.
As you can imagine, anything abandoned probably has its fair share of problems, and this trailer definitely is no stranger to that. It's got mold everywhere. It's got holes all over in the floor. The subfloor is completely wrecked. It's got critters, spiders, you name it. Not to mention, it's really, really dated. We're not even sure how old it is. We got this trailer for a really, really good price. The only catch was we only had these 4 picks to go off of. They were basically gonna demo it or deliver it. So we decided to get it. It's pretty rough, but the projects are gonna be so worth it. The only catch is we are complete amateurs. We've never done anything like this before.
So we're going to go on a walkthrough and show you guys what projects are to come.
All right, let's check out what's under this mobile home. Already you can see there's holes in the subfloor. The OSB just looks completely trashed, and obviously water damage. That is the common theme for this whole entire project, is just so much water damage, mold, you name it. Obviously there's no insulation that's gonna have to go in. I'm sure this piping might be all right. We'll have to evaluate that. The good thing is the joists look pretty good. I think those are definitely salvageable. I don't know if I have to put any of those new ones in. I'm gonna look. Oh, another hole. Yeah, water damage everywhere. Oh my God, yeah, just look at this. This is just holes everywhere. I'm sure we could, yeah, just look at that. Falling apart. Looks like someone tried to put something over that. Oh yeah, nice try. Definitely, okay. I'm assuming. Look at that right there. What is this? Oh yeah, that's some directions on some shims and stuff in here. But we did pour footers. We did have proper footers poured. And those are pretty big.
We had some crazy ones put on the deck over here.
This still isn't set yet.
Yeah, but
it's still actually really sketchy. But look at this view.
Yeah, it's gonna be really beautiful when it's done to be able to sit on the deck.
Totally worth it.
There's a little creek over there. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
All right. Some of the mold has started down here. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's not good. I'm not sure what all that sawdust is from, but that's, is that termites? Probably, maybe. Definitely have an infestation of critters down here.
Lots of spiders. Look at these guys.
Oh yeah, it's rough. It's rough. Got this broken window. I think that was from transport.
It was after they started taking it apart.
Single pane.
They put wheels on it or whatever, and it was sitting for a while.
Oh yeah, it just shifted or something.
So it shifted and the window cracked. These are kind of.
We got, look at this up here. Is this even, what even is it? That's not even real. That's textured, huh?
What?
This is the ceiling right here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
and
textured.
Panels, yeah, that's like plastic. That's definitely coming down. This, oh yeah, look at this guy. This
He's old school. I know. I don't think it actually does anything.
Yeah, it's coming in.
Yeah.
This floor, oh man, I don't know. It's coming up big time. I think it's pretty ugly.
Yeah, it's not.
Looks like someone tried. Someone definitely tried to give us a little bit of a facelift, but it's definitely not the vibe we're looking for.
It's not our style.
This guy, I don't want this. I'm scared. Oh, another Lego. That's nice.
Lego.
Yeah, we're gonna build. And these windows, single pane. This is even. Oh my God! Look at this. This isn't even real.
So black windows are really expensive,
well,
and
no,
so to update them, to modernize them, people put like tape here to make them look nicer.
Oh my God! I know. And that's hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay, well, quark, definitely quark. Oh, this stuff. Also, this stuff right here. All this is coming. It'll probably replace a lot of this. There's a lot of water damage. As you guys are gonna see, there's a ton of water damage. We haven't even gotten to like the main blunt of it, but oh yeah. Some paint down here. What's up? Oh my God, there's so many spider webs. We're gonna have a debate on what year this is We're gonna take guesses. We don't know. I did see some paperwork there. I didn't see it, I'm gonna be really honest with you. But we are gonna be able to find out indefinitely. So we're gonna guess what year this is. If you guys can guess or know what year it is, I don't know, we'll do some giveaway or something. I don't know. But yeah, take a look at this over here. We're pretty sure this isn't black mold, although it's black. We've been told it's not. We had someone come check it out. Still gotta be careful with it. So we're obviously ripping this whole section out. Apparently, when they were, before they transported this, they removed some flashing from the roof over here because the deck has an awning, like an enclosed awning. And when they removed it, the flashing went with it, and it rains here a lot. So rain got in, and it's literally, mold is, this whole wall is compromised. So we're gonna look into some design options for covering this, just using the structure, use the bones. The bones are fine for what we're doing. We'll just update.
Yeah, we'll just give it a little makeover.
Got mold all down here. I think at one point they were thinking about putting a new tub in, and you're gonna see why they're considering putting a new tub in. So, yeah, let's go over here. Yeah, we gotta wait till this is set. I can't even open this door right now. That's another issue. We've got so much mold up here. Oh my god. Yeah, this is rough. All right, I'm gonna go into our favorite part, our biggest project to come. All right, oh my gosh, guys, check this out. I'm pretty sure we got a bunch of rodents living in here. There's no tub, obviously. You can see through, that's the outside. I don't think you can see in front of you right now, but this is all cobwebs. Like, I literally can't walk any further. It's pretty infested with these, oh, there's a little guy crawling right around there. But yeah, it's pretty gnarly in here. There's wasp nests in the corner right there and bugs crawling. It is crazy in here with the critters. And I'm pretty sure there's definitely rats. This is all rat infestation. Commode's coming out. All this is coming out. All this is getting replaced.
And then there's a giant
Honestly,
hole here, like soft spot.
This
like,
is literally
really bad.
just carpet.
It's a trap door.
There's literally no, there is no.
It's a booby trap.
There's no board under that. All right.
Here's a Reese's peanut butter cup.
Look at this. What is this even good? Probably. Yu-Gi-Oh.
What if that like?
Card.
What was it? What if it paid for the whole renovation? It's like
Yeah.
a super limited edition.
Super limited edition in the mobile home.
Yeah.
Yeah, typical. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, this looks, what? Enemy controller? What kind of game is this? I thought it was fantasy. Well, I guess that's pretty fantasy. Okay. This isn't so bad. Obviously, this carpet's coming out. Hey, here's some of the flooring. We love our customers. Yeah, and more mold in here. Power panel, pretty standard. I'm definitely gonna have me going through this. Lovely curtains. The view, that was nice. That's one thing we have got going for this.
I need some fresh air.
Yeah, it's hot in here. Yeah, the wife's headed out because it is still very hot. Still very hot. Yeah, you can't even open this door right now. It's not properly set. We still have to get it officially set on the foundation.
Babe, when you're kind of all over the place, you can make people sick. Slower. Maybe.